Welcome, thrill seekers and budget wizards. Ready to transform your home into a Halloween masterpiece without breaking the bank? We're about to reveal 10 last-minute Halloween decoration ideas that won't cost a dime. Stick around as we unveil these spine-chilling, wallet-friendly ideas. First up is spooky silhouettes. Your windows and walls are about to get a ghostly makeover. With just a few everyday items, you can create chilling shadows that will send shivers down your spine. So, grab those scissors and let your creativity shine. Or rather, shadow. Next on our list is ghostly garlands, a simple yet effective transformation tool. With just a few basic materials, you can weave together a spectral decoration that will chill and thrill. So, let's get started and watch as your space transforms into a ghoulish wonderland. Ever dreamed of living in a haunted house? Now's your chance. Create a chilling atmosphere with shadows. Just strategically place objects and lighting to cast eerie silhouettes on walls. It's simple yet effective. Brace yourself for an atmosphere dripping with magic and mystery. Now let's bring some light into the darkness with our eerie candlelit jars. Imagine the flicker of candlelight playing off old jars, casting eerie shadows and setting a mood that's delightfully spooky. Get ready for an ambience that whispers tales of the supernatural. Prepare for an invasion of DIY bats, that is. With a little craft paper and ingenuity, you can bring a bat swarm right into your living room. Who knew a swarm of bats could add such a charming touch of terror? Don't throw away that old cloth just yet. It's about to become a part of your creepy cloth decor. With just a bit of creativity, you can transform these discarded materials into eerie drapes and decorations. Witness your room morph into a scene straight out of a horror movie. Paper has never been this petrifying. Imagine with just a few folds and cuts, you can transform ordinary sheets into creepy crawlers, ghastly ghouls, or even a pumpkin patch. It's all about letting your imagination run wild. Get set to craft your way into a Halloween spectacle. Mason jars, not just for preserving fruit anymore. With a dash of creativity, these glass containers can morph into eerie elements of your Halloween decor. Paint them, fill them, light them up. The possibilities are endless. These jars will have your guests questioning if they've stepped into another realm. Almost there, folks. Our ninth wonder, frightening floating ghosts. Picture this, ethereal apparitions seemingly floating in mid-air, a spectral spectacle made with nothing more than a bit of cloth and strategic lighting. Who knew something so simple could be so terrifyingly beautiful? And finally, the piece de resistance, the ultimate last-minute trick. This ingenious but simple hack transforms your space into a Halloween wonderland without costing a dime. Prepare to be amazed, and remember, the best magic tricks are often the simplest. This final trick is bound to leave your guests spellbound and your wallet happy. Remember, these are just the seeds of inspiration. Halloween is a canvas for your imagination, so why not paint it with your own strokes of creativity? Think outside the coffin. We can't wait to see what eerie wonders you conjure up. What if I told you we have a special guest to guide you through this haunting journey? A voice you might recognize, adding an extra sprinkle of excitement and engagement to our spooky soiree. Stay tuned to find out who our mystery narrator is. Until then, happy haunting.